Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the Windows 11 update error code 0x500f0984. And for that, let us open our run window. Let me just minimize this one, and let's open our run window. We can do that by simply making a right click here in the Windows icon and then go click on run option, or you can just press in your keyboard Windows R key all together, and you will see here this run window coming up on your screen. So in this, please type regedit, and then once you're done typing, you can now click on OK or next. And once you do that, you will see the user account control window coming up. So just click on yes to proceed. And then you will see here the registry editor window. Let me just minimize everything. So here, all you need to do is just to go to H key local machine and then click on that. So click this arrow here to expand, and then let us go to software. So please click again this arrow before software, and then let us find for policies. So once you found policies, please click again the arrow before it, and then go to Microsoft and go to Windows. So here we need to look for Windows Update, this one, and then once you found it, please click again this arrow before it and then click on AU, and then go to the right section, and here we need to make a right click and then go click on this new button here, and then please choose the D word 32-bit value. Please click on that, and here we need to type use or USEWU server. So please follow the way how I am typing it. So use WU server. Now once done, please click on enter, and then make a right click on it, click on modify button, and for the value data, please put 0, and if you see that by default it is 0, then just leave it be, and then once done, click on OK. And then after doing that, just make a quick restart with your device, and after the restart, try to open or try to update your Windows, and then you won't be able to encounter again this kind of error. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.